Welcome, Coyote fans. The 2000 GT is getting a new paint job. Same color. So basically, I dropped my car off at Owens Automotive. Dan knows the New Edge and SN95 and Fox Body Mustangs extremely well. Probably all Mustangs for that matter, but he just knows these cars extremely well, and he knows how to take them apart and put them back together. And so he talked me into painting this car. I had myself at one point in time just wanted him to paint some piecemeal pieces because I had stock paint on the car and I wanted to keep some of it, but he had a vision and I'm glad he did. As you can see, he stripped it down to just the body, even removed the windshield, which I'm glad he talked me into. We found a little bit of rust on the door frame or window frame. And also there's just spots on the car that, had been dinged over the years. I mean, it's 25 years I've owned the thing. So he went and this is the first stage, I believe, of the paint. I'm not a painter, so I don't know all the specifics, but this is before the clear. I think even before he shot it, and this is after he shot it, I believe, and before it was buffed, before the clear was applied. So he did it. He took the whole car down and did it the right way. This is one of his guys, Jordan, doing some, I think, cut and buff on the paint before it gets clear. And it's basically, this is the rear bumper drying in the sun. They really did an amazing job on the car, and I can't say enough good things about it. It looks so much prettier than it ever did new. And the car is extensive modification if you followed my progress on my YouTube channel. So to have paint that kind of matches the quality of the engine and transmission and all that, it's so much. I'm really grateful to Dan and his guys for doing such an amazing job and taking care of my car. Not only that, taking it apart and putting it back together better than it was before. For example, one of his guys, Jordan was one of them. The other one, his name escapes me. He found the hood latch reversed from the factory when I got the there he is right there. The guy on the left there had found the metal part that was part of that carbon fiber hood was backwards, and he got it right. They painted all of the black accents in shiny black instead of flat black, and that had been that kind of paint you can remove. I can't remember the name of it. Name escapes me, but everything's now permanent, and they even put the windshield back in the way it should be put in. From the factory, the factory windshield had never, it had a little spot on the edge where the black coating was chipped on the way in. They put the windshield in better than factory. In other words, this is the guy finding the hood latch reversed. And he did an amazing job getting it to close easily. They even repainted my little pony. Got that looking, everything matches now on the outside of the car. And I'm really grateful to everybody there. And it just looks so much nicer than it ever did new. I think he put 6 coats of clear on it. What I'm going to say is that if you have one of these cars and you want it to look good, he's in a mid-Ohio area, and he's really reasonable, and he does an amazing job, and he obviously cares about these cars, and it shows in the paintwork. I mean, if you look at the thing, it pops now. And even repainted my roll cage, and here I am driving it off. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.